Hey, welcome to Hell's Stove Garage, and today I want to show you how to get these PVC sleeves on the cart wheels. Now I got these sleeves from online from a place called Flat Out Drift Trikes. They were $19 a pair. These are 6 inches wide. Shipping was a little bit, but you know, it came out pretty cheap. 56 bucks for 2 pairs shipped. I got one of them. Happens to have a crack in it though. I don't know if that was in shipping or what, but I sent an email to Flat Out Drift Trikes. We'll see what they'll do about it, but pretty good place, man. And then I was trying to figure out a way to, because I would take and lubricate the sleeve with some soap or Windex or whatever, and then a lot of people on YouTube, you can see that they're just taking and pushing it down and it's going on easy, or they're hammering it on and it's going on easy. It's not going easy on my tires. I don't know what the deal is with my tires, but so I found a guy on YouTube. It's called Bound Builds, and I'll put a link in the description. He suggested this pump from Harbor Freight. It's a $16 pump, but I got it yesterday with a Easter coupon. It came out to 13 bucks something. So it works off your compressor. So you hook a compressor up to it, take a piece of 3/8 inch tubing, hook it on, and put this over the valve stem. Once you remove the valve core, suck all the air out, and slide the sleeve over and try to get it centered. So let's go ahead and do that and see how it works out. That's not down far enough. Just leave the core out, take this blow tip and just put some air in there to see where we're at. Looks pretty good. So that's centered pretty nice right there. Good deal.
Over at Chicken.